Hey guys, welcome to my first ever live update video. The reason I'm making this live update is because this summer I graduated from high school and will be starting my bachelor's degree. This matters to my audience on YouTube because I will be taking my degree abroad in China. And for those of you who don't know, YouTube is actually banned in China, so I won't have access to it without a VPN. Fortunately, that doesn't mean that I have to stop being a YouTuber for 4 years, because it's actually very easy to get a VPN in China. Even better is that my university actually provides its international students, including me, free VPN in the dorm rooms. So there's no problem at all for me to continue uploading YouTube videos. But of course, I will be moving to a completely new place, which most likely means that I will not be able to record any videos for a few weeks. That's because the way I record my drawing videos requires a great deal of setup, which I can't put into my baggage, so I will have to spend some time building a new setup over there. And I will also be starting my undergraduate degree, so I will have to spend some time studying as well. Chinese education is known for being quite harsh, but I've never studied there before, so I don't know how much homework I will be given or how hard the coursework is going to be. So we'll have to wait and see how active on YouTube I can be besides my education. The good news is that since I'll be moving, I will not be working part-time, which can mean that I will have a bit more free time in China than I have in Norway. So that was the part that's gonna affect my YouTube channel. Now, for those of you who wonder, I am currently living in Norway and I will be moving to Beijing to study at Tsinghua University. I am now enrolled in the Department of Electrical Information, which includes many different majors, but students at Tsinghua University do not have to declare their major during their first year. But I am considering transferring to the Department of Computer Science because that's actually my first choice, but I didn't get into my first choice, so we'll have to see whether I can achieve that. What I'm showing you guys in the video right now is just me doing some random sketch. I thought it was a good idea because it would be boring to just listen to my voice while staring at the black screen. I haven't planned to show my face on camera, at least not yet, so I thought I could keep the format the same as most of my other videos, which is to talk while drawing something. I feel like I'm very comfortable talking in this way, and that's why I communicate well with you guys. And I just found out that I've never showed you guys me doing sketch, which I think would be interesting to some of my audience, so here it is. Although the camera is in the way, so I can't look directly at the paper, I have to look at it from an angle, which is a bit uncomfortable. So that's it for the live update. This is gonna be my last YouTube video made in Norway this year, and I'll be flying to Beijing tomorrow afternoon. And the flight is gonna take more than 24 hours. So see you guys in Beijing. Beijing 见. Goodbye.